Yes, yes. So the dough for challah. What was the beginning again? Please, the first sentence. Okay. Okay, I think okay. Can the dough of the challah be divided? Yes, the dough of the challah. So, for example, as we said, if somebody wants to, okay, I'm going to try to cover all of the possibilities. So so if you wanna do to separate challah with a blessing, so we have to use the 5 pounds. So 5 pounds, it's I don't know how many in kilos. It's two point, like it's less than 2.5 kilos, I think, right? Approximately 2.3 kilos, right? And so you need so much flour. Of course, if you have smaller families, we said before, you're not going to use so much. So you make a dough, you separate a piece of challah, this the piece of dough with a blessing, and the rest you can divide. That's what many women do. You divide in packages, put it like in a plastic bag, and put it in a freezer. You freeze the dough, and that's how they sell the dough in a supermarket. I mean, they put some preservative, but anyway, you can freeze the dough and bake as like every week, since it's time consuming, if woman is working like or like busy with the children, it does not make sense for her to make fresh dough every week. So absolutely, that's permissible, right? Or as I said before, thank you. So as I said before, some women, so and that's what my wife does, since she does not add any preservative, any like crazy stuff that to make the dough rise, which is very unhealthy. Just so you know, it's very unhealthy. So she said that it's better to bake, like to bake everything, all of the challah, like smaller challah from one batch, bake all of the challahs that she needs in one time, and freeze the ready challah. And then before Shabbos, you just put on your blech, you put on your plata, or you put wherever you warm the food, and you're going to get yourself a warm challah, like it just was baked. So that's my wife said, since she does not have add all of the garbage in there, so it's better than to preserve the dough. But if somebody don't know, like have a different recipe, I guess, and it's better for them to preserve the dough, they can do preserve the dough, no problem. So the point is, it's very like especially some women, they have a I mean, it became popular in the past, I don't know how many years. They do all of the gatherings and do like separation of the challah. I mean, these rabbits and try to involve women, like a group, very big groups of women in some mitzvah. Is it productive? I don't think so, but okay, but that's what they do. Okay.